Tell your girlfriend, oh baby, I'm trying to gain some weight, I'm trying to get ready for you, I'm trying to get sexy for you and everything. You see what I'm saying? Tell her that and understand that you need some rest. Get some fucking rest. You have a goal, you stick to your plan. Whenever you meet that goal, then you can do whatever you want. Yes, sir! What's up, guys? So today I will tell you the top 5 things to do if you want to gain muscle. So this video is mainly going to be for people who are trying to gain muscle, add on some weight. If you're skinny fat, you're trying to get some gains, I got you. Number 1, you gotta be on a caloric surplus, which means eat more calories than you normally do. If you normally eat 3,500 calories, I want you to eat 3,700 calories now. Don't need to go to 4,000, 5,000 because you're gonna get fat. We're not trying to get fat here, we're trying to get some gains. So slow, moderate increase in your calorie consumption is gonna go a long way. You don't need to go crazy. We don't want to get fat. Most people think that, oh yeah, I'm bulking, I'm gonna get gains, Well, you're gonna get fat. If you eat a lot, more than you're supposed to, you're gonna look fat. We're not trying to look fat, we're trying to make gains, we're trying to stay lean, and add on some size. Number 2, have a workout routine. So let's assume that you're new, you're trying to get to the gym. I will tell you, don't go crazy. Start with 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, work full body. Now if you want to go in advance, Monday work on upper body, Wednesday work on lower body, and then Friday work on cardio and abs. If you do that, it's gonna be easy to stick to because it's only 3 times a week, and also you are giving time for your muscle to rest. So having a strong workout routine will make you go a long way. Trust me on that one. Number 3, push harder than you did last time. So let's say last week you did 45, 12 times. This week, either go to 50. Even if you're not able to do it 12 times, it's fine. Try to do as many as you can. If it's 8, you are making progress. You can grab those 45 again and finish the 12. That's increase in your strength and increase in your size. That's how you gain muscle. If you train harder than you normally do, you're gonna be stronger and you're gonna gain size. So always train harder. Stop being comfortable. Push yourself. Me, every time I go to the gym, I always push myself. I always want to do better. We go to the gym is to be the best version of ourselves. You get comfortable when you're home with your girlfriend or whatever, but when you're in the gym, you gotta give everything you got. Fuck all that comfortable shit, alright? Now it's okay sometimes you don't feel good or you're not in the mood and stuff. Me, I don't care. You're not in the mood. Listen, you stick to your goal. You're not in the mood, be in the mood. Drink some fucking coffee. Drink something. Be in the mood and you go. Because if you're trying to lose weight, I can understand, because when you're trying to lose weight, you may lose some strength. But if you're trying to gain weight, there is no excuses. You gotta go harder than yesterday, harder than last time. Always going harder. Number 4, track your progress. Now, when I say track your progress, listen to me. Listen. When I say track your progress, I don't mean, oh, take pictures, oh, selfie. No, that's not what we're doing. If you take a picture like every 3 weeks to see the progress, to see what you need to work on the most. That's how you track your progress. Check your weight every 3 weeks to see where you're going. If you're gaining a lot of weight, you gain a lot of pounds. Let's say you were 150 and now you 180 in just 2 weeks. My nigga, you need to chill. You're getting fat as fuck. Number 5, get enough rest. If you don't get rest, you will not have energy. Tell your girlfriend, oh baby, I'm trying to gain some weight, I'm trying to get ready for you, I'm trying to get sexy for you and everything. You see what I'm saying? Tell her that and understand that you need some rest. Get some fucking rest. Don't just be out there going crazy and everything. No, you have a goal, you stick to your plan. Whenever you meet that goal, then you can do whatever you want. But if you come and watch my video, listen my nigga, if you come and watch my video, you need to do the work. Here we're not just here to get information and just go do whatever you want. No, you get the information, you put in the work, alright? So you get some rest. If you didn't work out harder than yesterday, instead of you resting, go back to the gym. Go back to the gym. I'm not even playing. I don't know how busy you are, but try to get enough rest that will allow you to go harder again the next time. But guys, there's something I want to tell you. I told you those 5 things. The only thing you can do right now is put in the work. So I want you to put in the work now. Get a schedule, get a diet plan, get everything you need, and go harder than yesterday.